If you're wondering how to start investing, consider Reddit. Reddit is a great place to learn about investing, and plenty of people on the site are happy to share their tips and advice. In this video, we will share with you how to get started with investing on Reddit. We will also provide some helpful tips for beginners. So if you're ready to learn more, keep watching. What is Reddit? First, let's cover the basics. Reddit is a social media platform where users share and post content and discuss with others. One popular topic on Reddit is investing, with several different subreddits dedicated to investing strategies and stock market discussion. One investing trend recently gaining popularity on Reddit is investing in meme stocks. These are typically stocks that have become popular online, often due to viral memes or social media buzz. Examples of meme stocks include GameStop and AMC Entertainment. Retail investors on Reddit have been banding together to buy and hold these stocks, causing a phenomenon known as the Reddit rally. While investing in meme stocks can be risky and may not always be a sound investment strategy, it's important to keep an open mind and stay informed about investing trends on Reddit. Financial markets constantly evolve, and investing in Reddit can provide a unique perspective. Investors share prices, charts, and analyses on subreddits such as r, Wall Street Bits, and r, stocks. How does Reddit work? To get started investing on Reddit, first create a Reddit account. Then, you can browse through the investing subreddits and start participating in discussions or reading up on investing tips. It's important to remember that investing involves risk, so do your research before making any decisions based on advice from Reddit users. Top 5 investments according to Reddit. Here are the top 5 investments according to Reddit users. Index funds, ETFs. These passive investing options are often recommended by investing professionals as a low-cost and efficient way to diversify your portfolio. Real estate investment trusts. Many Reddit users recommend investing in REITs to gain exposure to the lucrative residential property market without having to deal with the headaches of being a landlord. Cryptocurrencies. Despite the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, many Reddit users are enthusiastic about investing in these digital assets to potentially reap high returns. Individual stocks. Some Reddit users prefer investing in companies that they know and believe will perform well over the long term. Precious metals. Many Reddit users view investing in precious metals like gold and silver as a hedge against inflation and financial uncertainty. Another popular investment that many investment professionals consider an essential component of a good investment portfolio is the residential property market. How to invest in stocks according to Reddit. According to Reddit, buying stocks can be an effective investment technique. Reddit investment for beginners usually concentrates on stocks as it's very accessible and requires little money. Investing in stocks with high upside potential is essential in an efficient and profitable value investing program. Stock markets can fluctuate, and investing in them can be risky. However, Reddit investing strategies suggest investing in stocks through diversification and holding onto them for the long term to minimize these risks. Retail traders can also help mitigate their risk by investing in stocks of well-established companies with solid track records and good financial standing. Reddit users also recommend investing in individual companies that have strong fundamentals, a good management team, and growth potential. It can involve researching the company's financial statements and keeping up with industry news to make informed investing decisions. There are also trading platforms, like Robinhood, where retail investors can easily buy and sell stocks. Overall, Reddit can be a valuable resource for beginner and experienced investors alike to learn about investing strategies and opportunities. Before committing to every investment decision, it should be thoroughly researched and carefully considered. Still, Reddit can provide a wealth of information and insights from other investors. Best investment app according to Reddit. It's a hot topic on the investing subreddit, with users commenting on their favorites. But before we dive into the top picks, let's quickly cover investing apps and why they're worth checking out. Investing apps allow users to manage their stock portfolios, track market trends, and make trades from their smartphones or other devices. They can be an excellent tool for beginners or seasoned investors looking to stay on their game. So without further ado, here are Investing Reddit's top picks for the best investment app. Robinhood is a fan favorite for its commission-free trades and easy-to-use interface. Questrade is popular for its low fees and extensive market research resources. While Simple Trade offers a wide range of investing options, including stocks and cryptocurrencies. Have you heard of technical analysis? Technical analysis is a method used to predict the future direction of stock prices by analyzing past market data, such as price and volume. If you're interested in learning more about technical analysis, here's a perfect tool we highly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView is a tool that offers trading strategies and indicators for beginners and experienced traders. It's easy to use because they have everything you need to get started with investing. Check out TradingView now. Check out our previous video to learn more about trading and starting your crypto journey. The benefits of using Reddit for investing. Investment decisions can be challenging to make, and they often require a lot of research and analysis. But fear not, investing in Reddit is here to help. Using Reddit for investing can provide the following: a wealth of information, insider perspectives from fellow investors, access to investing subreddits where users share tips and strategies. Reddit investors may also access unique investment opportunities, as many investing subreddits feature stock pitch threads where users pitch their investing ideas. And since Reddit is an anonymous platform, users are often more honest in their opinions and advice. But of course, it's essential to take any investing advice found on Reddit with a grain of salt and do your research before making any investing decisions. Your net income is ultimately your responsibility. So, ready to join the investing Reddit community? Start by finding investing subreddits that align with your investing interests, and start scrolling through threads and engaging in discussions. Who knows, you may find your next big investment idea on Reddit. One effective way to cope with investment risks is to diversify your investments. Aside from checking our investment tips on Reddit, you may also want to check out cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are an investment option that can offer high returns. Still, it also carries a higher level of risk, and that is why you should look into investing into a hardware wallet. Here's a great tool that we highly recommend for securing your coins. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger Wallets is a cryptocurrency wallet that has been considered one of the most reliable in use today. It provides strict safety measures to ensure nothing can compromise during transmission, making it an excellent choice. Check out Ledger Wallets now. If you want to learn more about other investment options, check out our previous video. The different types of investment subreddits. What are subreddits? They are forums on Reddit where users can discuss and exchange information about specific topics. Investing subreddits can be a valuable resource for novice and experienced investors. But with so many investing subreddits out there, where do you even begin? Here's a handy guide to some of the most popular investing subreddits. R. Investing. This general investing subreddit focuses on long-term investing strategies. R. Stocks. As the name suggests, this subreddit focuses on discussing and analyzing individual stocks. R. Personal finance. Want to learn about budgeting, saving, and other aspects of personal finance? If so, this is the place for you. Advanced tips for using Reddit for investing. Investing involves making calculated decisions, investing wisely, and staying up to date on the latest market trends. There are tips and tricks for investing, but what about when it comes to finding information on the internet? Enter investing on Reddit. Reddit is a platform where users can participate in different forums, called subreddits, discussing everything from memes to investing strategies. The investing subreddit has over 1 million members and is a valuable resource for anyone looking to stay informed and gather investing insights. Here are some advanced tips for using investing on Reddit. Follow the subreddit rules and guidelines. This may seem obvious, but it's important to follow the rules set by the investing subreddit to avoid getting banned or causing trouble in the community. Utilize filters. Reddit allows users to filter posts by new, top, and rising. It can help navigate the investing subreddit and find high-quality content easier. Participate in discussions. Joining in on investing discussions can provide valuable insight from other users' perspectives and experiences. To learn more about tips and guide for investing your money, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. When investing, it's important to do your research and be as informed as possible. Reddit can be an excellent resource for information, especially regarding investing. The investing subreddits are a great place to start, where you can find discussions on various topics related to investing. You can also find information on individual stocks, mutual funds, and other investment options. Be sure to read the investing subreddit rules before posting or commenting. And be sure to heed the advice of the community members. They're often more than happy to share their investing expertise. By following the tips in this video and using Reddit as a resource, you can make the most of your investments. Happy investing! Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.